Looking to make smarter, faster crypto investments in 2025? You're in exactly the right place. Meet Nexbit Floria, the next-gen AI-powered trading platform that's revolutionizing how Indian investors trade crypto. And yes, it keeps working even while you sleep. Important. Only use the official Nexbit Floria link in the description. Your secure gateway to start trading safely. Let's face it, the Indian crypto market never slows down. Prices move in seconds, trends shift instantly, and missing your window can cost you. That's where Nexbit Floria comes in. Not just another bot, but a smart, intuitive AI system that simplifies trading and keeps you ahead, whether you're just starting or already an experienced trader. It acts like your personal AI trading assistant, analyzing the market 24/7, tracking whale activity, and executing high-precision trades faster than any human could. Whether you're working, relaxing, or totally offline, Nexbit Floria is constantly scanning for opportunities and making strategic moves on your behalf. No downloads, no complex setup. It runs right in your browser, optimized for mobile, desktop, and tablet. Fast, sleek, and designed with Indian users in mind. Security is a top priority. Nexbit Floria partners with trusted exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitfinex. That means deep liquidity, fair pricing, and solid protection of your assets. Your funds always under your control. Withdraw profits anytime. Test trading strategies in demo mode. Choose your risk level. Full flexibility, always, from free starter plans to advanced tools for pros. Nexbit Floria has something for everyone. Already trusted by 11,000 plus users, powering millions of trades daily, and backed by over 14 years of combined expertise in finance and AI. Warning: fake sites are on the rise. Stay protected by using only the official link in the description. Ready to get started? Register now and claim a free consultation with Nexbit Floria experts. Then just fund your account, choose your strategy, and let the AI do the rest. Most users see results within 24 hours, and you can cash out at any time. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Real support is just a message away. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates from India and beyond. Thanks for watching. Trade smart, stay safe, and get ahead with Nexbit Floria.